as they did for solving with addition or subtraction. Our goal is to isolate the variable. We're always going to do the inverse of whatever is sitting with that variable. So if the equation is a multiplication equation, we're going to divide to isolate the variable. If the equation is a division equation, then we'll multiply to isolate the variable. Let's look at some examples. So number one, we have 3 times x. I know a lot of times we'll read this 3x, but this means 3 times x equals 12. In order to isolate this variable, so our goal is to get x alone, we have to do the opposite of multiplication. So we have to divide by this 3. So 3x divided by 3, 12 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So those are going to go away and leave x, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now we can check these the same as we checked our addition subtraction. We have 3 times x equals 12. We're going to substitute that 4 in for x. 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 equals 12. So we know that we got it correct. Number 2 says x divided by 4. Remember I talked about earlier in the summer that we're going to have no division symbols. Our division looks like a fraction. The fraction bar means divide. So x divided by 4 equals 8. We need to get that x alone, or to isolate it. In order to do that, because it's division, we're going to multiply. So we'll multiply both sides by 4. These 4's are going to cancel, leaving us with x, and 8 times 4 is 32. So x equals 32. Let's do a check on that. We have x divided by 4 equals 8. We're going to substitute 32 in for x because that's what we said it is. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. 32 divided by 4 is 8, and 8 equals 8. So we were correct on that one as well. So let's go down to the bottom then, and let's take a look at the 2 problems down there. Let's work on them together. So let's circle our variable. That's what we need to isolate. If we read it, it says negative 5 times x equals 25. So because it's multiplication, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5. Remember I said that these become 1 and they cancel out. 25 divided by negative 5 is negative 5. So that is our answer. Number 4, x divided by 2 equals negative 4. So we want to isolate our variable x. To do that, we're going to multiply both sides by 2. When we do that, these cancel, and x equals negative 4 times 2, which is negative 8. If you need some extra practice on this, you can email me. I can give you some extra practice or help you if you have any questions. Otherwise, let's go ahead and turn to homework number 11 on the back side of this page. And there are 4 problems. You need to show your work exactly like we did on the previous page for the notes. And once you get those completed, bring those back in August for a grade.